Alrighty, hello there. Today I'm going to walk you guys through how I cull all my sessions and weddings. And today we're going to be looking at a senior session that I recently did. So I use this program called PhotoMechanic, and it is the best program that I've invested in. I really love it. It is a one-time fee, and it has made my culling process literally a billion times faster. So I'm going to show you how I use it. So you go up, you say File, Ingest. You are selecting, this is my card reader. I'm going through, I'm in my external hard drive. This is how I organize, and this is the session we're doing. So we are selecting that folder and we are ingesting, and all the photos are going to pop up. Towards the end. So this is why I call backwards. So you're opening this magnifying glass, and it's going to open up this new tab, and you're going to see all the photos here. And you can scroll in super fast. So what I do is I start from the end, and if I like a photo, I just press the one button and it highlights it. All right, and now you just kind of go through and you just pick with your heart, I guess. I don't like agonize like, oh, which of these two? I don't know. No, I just pick one and I keep going. Maybe I'll look at it a few times back and forth, but I'm really not that concerned with it. Also, these hats were so coordinated when they were throwing them. All right, so I'm going through. Especially for champagne shots, I usually give a whole lot of them because their faces are hilarious and people love seeing those blueprints. Oh, blueprints. Whatever they're called. Bloopers. Why am I dumb? I can't focus on two things at once. Alright, so I would have loved that one, but her eyes are closed, and that's okay. Yep, so going through. So again, I'm really not agonizing over, oh, should I take which one of these? Like, which one? No, I'm not. I'm just picking one and I'm moving on. And as you guys can see, it was a very sunny day. And everyone really likes our most iconic building at JMU in the back, so we have to face the sun. That's cute. There's no set amount that I'm always looking for when I take photos. I'm like, oh, I want to get this many. I just pick a few from each set that I really like. So normally if I vary up their looks or their hands or their feet or literally anything at all, I try to get one from every set. Like for these, she's looking out that way, so I'm gonna pick one of these, and then she's looking at me, so I'm gonna pick one of these. So that's pretty much what's going through my mind through this. I'm just looking to see which ones are in focus, which ones are not. And sometimes I miss it a little bit, and that's why when I edit, sometimes I like to zoom in. Like that one's clearly out of focus, so I'm not gonna pick that one. But maybe one of these is out of focus and I don't really know. But that's okay. I also tend to hunch over every time. I don't know why I do this. I feel like getting closer to the computer helps me. It's cute. And you'll see that sometimes I do go backwards to go back and look at photos that I might have skipped. Alright, and I'm back at the beginning. So I'm going to exit out of this, and up at the top right you see this little gray space. I'm going to click on that, and now it's only having all of the selected photos. So now I'm down to 112. So I'm selecting all, and dragging these into a folder that I created. So it's the to edit. So all the rest of them are gonna, all these photos are in here, but now I'm moving the ones I want to edit into this to edit folder. So then I'm going to go into Lightroom and I'm going to just pull up this folder. So check out the next video to see how I edit the senior session, but that is how I cull. And it was a very few minutes to go through over 200 photos. So that's how I cull all my sessions and especially my senior sessions.